Good morning, class 4 students. Today we are going to learn English grammar, chapter 2, subject and predicate. Identify the subject and the predicate in these sentences. Voina hian subject le predicate kan zir dona. Heng sentence a hian subject le predicate ka thia shangro aron dini. Subject chu thil ti tu ani a, predicate chu thil ti tu ina a thil ti aron soifia na kha ni tani. The baby sleeps in its crib. Atia, the baby he subject ania. Sleeps in its crib he predicate. Predicate ani. The man loves riding a horse. The man he subject ania. Loves riding a horse he predicate ani. Jaya is very hard working. Jaya he subject ania. Very hard working is very hard working he predicate ani. The dog loves its master. The dog his subject ania. Loves its master he predicate ani mo helam hi tiang zelin. The sun was shining brightly. The sun he subject ania. Predicate to nung lampang hau zong hi helam zong was shining brightly hini. Ravi is a good boy. Ravi hi subject anilea is a good boy hi predicate. Mohan likes to play cricket. Mohan hi subject ania likes to play cricket hi predicate ani. The deer runs very fast. The deer hi subject ania runs very fast lai hi predicate ani. Trees shed their leaves in winter. Trees is subject ania. Shed their leaves in winter he predicate ani. The part of the sentence that tells us who or what the sentence is about is called the subject. Sentence abung chen khata. Sentence ina tu chan chin nge eng chan chin nge asoi ti la ya kha a chan chin asoi sak kha khami kha subject chu ani atyani. The man, the baby, the man, Jaya, the dog, the sun, Ravi, Mohan, the deer, trees. Heng hau chan chin hi adot le sentence ron kal chun zom hian an soifia. Subject chu an chan chin an soi sakate hi ani. Mishing ani emo thil nung ani emo chu chu ania. The subject performs the action denoted by the verb. Verb chu thil ti soina nia. Subject chu anin a thil ti kha aron tilang china hemi verb patang khan mo. Verb patang khan hey runs ti te, shed ti te, shining ti te, laughs ti te, hardworking, riding, sleeps ti te hi verb ania. Chu chuanin subject ina a thil ti kha aron tilang tani. The rest of the sentence is called the predicate. Chung zong zong subject ti lau anung lampang zong ami hau ka predicate chuan nia. The predicate contains the verb. Predicate a chuanin verb ka tel ta thin ani. Chuan hemi chin chau hi kan tir yang o. The baby hi subject ania. Sleeps hi verb ania. In its crib no te chu aboma amuhil ania. The baby a hianin he subject he verb ania. Verb to predicate a tel thin ti aron soya. The baby sleeps in its crib ani chuanin hemi chin hau amalam hi subject ania anung lam song hi predicate. Verb to action words ania. Mizo tong chuan thil ti soina ani. Oh chuan predicate a chuan verb nge nge entirnan verb example chu sleep, eat, chuan walk ti te, sit ti te, sitting ti te. Khang zong zong kha verb thil ti soina hi verb ani. Oh hemi chin chau hi lo en ula chuan hei hi in lo ti venga in textbook in nei lo chuan nota lo ti ve tur ni o.